Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to our third day in Melbourne, Australia, and we are enjoying every minute of it. We have so much to do for today, for we are having a walk tour in Yarra River, Federation Square, ACMI, Hosier Land, and many more. Melbourne offers a plethora of unique experiences, from hidden bars and quirky attractions to delicious local delicacies and cultural events. But today we are going to Federation Square, focusing on ACMI, Yarra River Promenade, as well as the funky R of Hosier Lane. First, we go to supermarket, and one of the most popular in Australia is Coles. This branch is located in Melbourne Central Station at the heart of the Central Business District. This is Federation Square in front of Flinders Station. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. We are inside ACMI and we are now enjoying story of moving image exhibit. The story of the moving image at ACMI, Federation Square, is a captivating exhibition that explores the evolution of screen culture. Visitors can engage in interactive experiences, learn about the history of film, and discover how screens have shaped our society. The exhibition features a range of exhibits, including ancient shadow puppets, Victorian-era magic lanterns, original cameras, iconic costumes, movie sets, sketches, clips, and contemporary art. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Welcome to Hosier Lane. Join us enjoy the street arts. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Hosier Lane is a small lane located in the heart of Melbourne, Australia. It is known for its vibrant street art and graffiti, which covers the walls and buildings on both sides of the lane. The street art in Hosier Lane is constantly changing as new pieces are added and old ones are painted over, making it a popular destination for art enthusiasts and tourists alike. The street art in Hosier Lane is a mix of different styles, including graffiti, stencils, paste-ups, and murals. The artworks often depict social and political issues and pop culture references, and many of them are created by local and international street artists. Hosier Lane is also a popular spot for photography, as visitors can take pictures of colorful street art. The lane is an excellent location for a stroll, as visitors can admire the artwork and explore the local area. Now we are in Yarra River Promenade area and enjoying looking at the so many people walking and taking pictures. The Yarra River Promenade is a popular walking and recreational area in Melbourne, offering stunning views of the city skyline and the Yarra River. It features wide pedestrian paths, scenic views, and is perfect for leisurely walks or group activities. The area includes various attractions such as restaurants, cafes, and cultural sites, making it a vibrant hub for both locals and visitors. Thank you for watching. The promenade is also suitable for walking, running, and cycling, with options for shorter or longer routes depending on your preference. It is open year-round, providing a beautiful setting for any time of the year. Please like, share, and subscribe.